Hey, what's up? I am Brandon Lee and I'm in sunny southern Spain right now, and I want to talk to you about something I've been working on which I think is going to be really cool. I am making a film school. It's called Unscripted Studio. It's going to be a school where you can stream online courses for learning how to make travel videos. The difference between this film school and my YouTube channel is sort of like the difference between a snack and a full meal. The YouTube channel is just little bits and bytes here whenever I get free time to make extra videos on the side of my other video production work. The film school is going to be much more in depth and give you a lot of details that you need to get these things right. I've been traveling the world for over 6 years now as a traveling filmmaker, and I've been building skills that I couldn't learn anywhere else. I didn't learn them in film school. I didn't learn them when I was shooting broadcast TV before I shot these travel films. I had to learn them actually being out, traveling, making mistakes, fixing those mistakes, and then trying to be better the next time.
A 7-minute production called Hong Kong Strong that's proved a real hit.
I'd say about 90% of the people I approached did not want to be on camera.
So I'm hoping this course can save you some of the pain that I went through in the learning process. I'm trying to make this as interesting and as detailed as possible. So I'm using techniques like a POV Cam, so you can see what I see when I film. This will be really useful for observing stuff like what settings am I using? When am I pressing buttons? How am I holding the camera? All these things that you can't really see from a third-person perspective. You really have to see it through my eyes. I'm going to show a lot of real-world examples in this course because I feel like you can't teach filmmaking from the comfort of your studio. Travel filmmaking is done out there in the real world, facing real problems and solving them. I'm going to take you from beginning to end how to make a great travel video, starting with stuff like planning your trip. For instance, did you know that I use vlogs as research every time I go on a trip to shoot? If you analyze a vlog like Sherlock Holmes, you can learn so many little things that you won't pick up on just by watching other people's travel videos or looking at Instagram pictures. Vlogs show you the way the world really looks, and you can analyze stuff like, do the vloggers appear to have food sickness? Is the landmark you want to visit covered in tourists at the time that you want to visit it? So vlogs are just one really valuable tool. I'm also going to teach how to create a story out of almost any situation that you find yourself in. Because the thing about travel videos is you can't plan everything, nor should you. And when surprises happen, you want to be able to capture that and use that to make it a compelling part of your film. That's possibly the most important thing I'm going to be teaching. I improvise almost everything I shoot, and that improvisation is what gives it that flavor of being real, being exciting, and being vital. In my opinion, to be a great travel filmmaker, you have to learn to improvise story on the spot while you're shooting. I'm going to teach you how to shoot handheld, and I'm going to teach you how to shoot on a gimbal, and I'm also going to teach you how to use one method to look like the other method. I'm going to show you why I do that, and also specific examples of how I can be really useful for enhancing your shots. Of course, I'm going to go through editing and post-production. I'm going to get you over that hump of looking at the days or weeks of footage that you've compiled and thinking, how the hell am I going to turn this into anything that anybody's ever going to watch? I'm going to show you how to make it compelling from start to finish and tell a story that people care about. So if you've already requested an invite, we're going to be sending out more details soon. It's not public quite yet, but if you haven't requested an invite yet, go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video and we'll get you on the list. I hope you're as excited about this course as I am. There's a lot of cool stuff to come. Just stay tuned. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.